Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. Let's dive right into it. This is going to be a quick episode. What we're talking about in this one is going to be the 5th mint for the Knights Guild. So I'm going to teach you guys step by step how you can mint for the charity mint, and I got a few notes for you as well. So if you do get something out of this, definitely smash that like button, subscribe, comment down below. I don't know. You guys ask whatever questions you want, and I'll try to answer them. So let's dive right into it. So this episode, I want to go over a mint that is happening today. So today is February 29th, 2024. You're probably watching this video a little bit later, probably not at 1:50 a.m., but the Moose is working weird hours, right? So at 15 UTC, 1500 UTC, that's when the mint starts. So when you're watching this, you're probably able to mint right away. So let's dive right into it. So if you guys go to the link tree, what you're going to see is the Knights Guild Charity Mint. So it's 50 ADA for the whitelist, and then it's going to be 55 for the public. So it's going to happen within a few hours difference. We'll get into that. So there are 2,220 NFTs, and the reason you want to pick one up, first off, I guess I have it in my notes too, is that you can win giveaways. So that's really cool, but you're also supporting a charity. So a percentage of the proceeds are going to go to building a school in Sierra Leone. So definitely check it out. You guys can definitely get something out of this. So if you want to support that, great. But also you can win, like, I think it's 2 medium pieces of land, and then there's also 5,000 COPI. And you also need this breastplate NFT if you want to do the complete knight. So this is part of the Knights Guild, and what this is a guild of cornucopians who, you know, we're like a big team. I'm part of the guild, and I think it's a great community. You guys can join the Discord. I have a link for you. And what's great is that, you know, there's a lot happening, and I'll share the interview with you guys where you can go to find that. But what the guild does is it's a community so that, you know, people like me who are just investors, you can actually stake your land. They're going to have a platform, and members of the guild who play the game, they'll be able to build off of your land, use the assets, and you can even pick up some of these NFTs. So I'll show you what some of those look like. But first we'll start off with the actual mint. So this is the 5th mint, and you're going to need this one if you want to build the complete knight, which will offer different perks as well. So we'll get into what is the guild a little bit. So the Knights Guild showcases a pioneering vision. We proved that a passionate collective of volunteer gamers can build an unmatched Web3 gaming community, curating a wealth of community-owned gaming assets through their dedication and expertise. So let's take a look at this. And this is the breastplate. So I'm going to be minting one. I'm going to do it as soon as I can. I'll show you what it's like. So if we get into some of it as well, in terms of the collection, so engage actively with us and explore our existing NFTs available on JPEG Store. So we'll get into that in a minute. Details about the armor. So some of these NFTs, like, I'm not sure if it's the sword or not. But anyway, some of the NFTs you can pick up, instead of actually owning like a piece of land, you pick up an NFT and the land is owned by the guild, and then they will build on the land. So it's kind of like owning like an ETF of a property management company. So that's one way to view it. So I talked about it with Scott. So shout out to Scott, awesome dude. And, you know, I want to spread this awareness to you guys. So join the guild. It's also free. So join the Discord. And, you know, if you want to be part of something, you don't have to pick up this NFT if you want to join the guild. But I'm showing you how you can pick up the NFT and bring it to your attention. So the 5th part of the complete knight, the breastplate, Mint on the 29th of Feb, which is today. 50 for the whitelist, and then public mint. So you'll be automatically entered to win prizes. These are the other ones. So this one I believe is for land, etc. But let's go to the mint. So you're going to go to knightsguild.co. I have links in the description for you. It's also in the link tree. So go to the Moose's link tree, click up here, and you guys can figure it out from there. So once you do that, click on mint. Okay? And then you're going to connect your wallet. So this is going to load here. And I think it looks cool. Kind of looks like Moose's eyed wide shut kind of thing, you know, like kind of gives me those kind of vibes. So you're not joining a cult here. You're just joining, you know, you're just minting here. So I got a wallet connected. Let's reconnect. You're going to go to the top right. Okay. And you might even see a thing here that says connect your wallet. But if you're already connected, I'm going to show you how to reconnect. But you're going to see a thing in the middle here where it says to connect. So you have to wait to mint. These are going to go by fast. So there's only 2,200 of these. It's for a great cause as well. So the Moose is going to be minting when he can. So I'm going to connect my NAMI. And once you do that, all you have to do is follow the rest of the steps. Make sure that you set collateral if you're using NAMI. I believe you guys can use a hardware wallet as well. Connect it through NAMI. If you guys don't know how to set up a NAMI, go to my link tree. I've got a free Cardano mini course. You take this, you learn what is ADA, how to stake, how to trade, how to swap, how to be an investor when it comes to ADA. It's all right here. What is ADA? Wallet setup, receiving, sending, staking, yield farming, and more. The Moose gets loose. That's the way it's done there. So that's basically it. If you guys want to get one, you're going to need this. I don't know how many total exactly. It's like 5 to 10 total NFTs, and you get to mint like this mega NFT, and you could really flex that as well. So this is going to bring you closer to Cornucopias. If you guys don't know what COPI is, so right now, if we take a look at the market cap, hopefully Bitcoin's at like 65K by the time you're watching this. ADA is almost at 70 cents. But if you go to COPI, this is the gaming token that the guild is all about, right? So it's about cornucopias. We need COPI to pump, though. The Moose can't get loose if COPI's doing this. Like, bro, this is like watching your son not be able to walk, and he's 7 years old. So, like, this has got to move. Let's go. Let's go, COPI. Let's go, BB. So if you guys are interested, it would be great if you mint. I would like to see it. I think this is for a great cause again as well. So they're building, it's a charity mint. So a large percentage is going to be going towards a school in Sierra Leone. I think I said that right. So if you guys want to support that, you know, definitely get loose. It's a good cause. And, you know, the Moose is going to be in here. The Moose is going to have one in his wallet. So that being said, check out the link tree. We also have links down in the description below for everything I mentioned in this video. And yeah, if you guys want to pick up a hardware wallet, people have been picking up the Tangem. So, oh, I thought I would catch it. Try it again. Moose ain't too loose today. So, guys, check out the Tangem. Great wallet. You could also pick up a Ledger. I don't have a link for that. But I want you guys to protect yourself. You know, if you're not protected, then bad things happen, right? So, it's happened to Moose a couple times. So, we'll see you guys in the next one.